this is one of the bigger cooks I had ever had, and I cooked all the three main food groups, right? Pork butt, brisket, and turkey breast. And I'll tell you, everybody's always like, what should I try out first? What should I start smoking first? The easiest thing to learn how to cook on is a pork butt. I mean, get a bone-in pork butt. Don't mess with the bone out. That's weird in itself. Get a bone-in pork butt. Cook that thing and to about internal temperature, at least over 190, 190, 195. When you can put a fork in that thing and twist it 90 degrees, easy, pull it off. Let it rest for a couple hours, and it shreds just like this. It is beautiful. This is a little barbecue sauce with some um, Worcestershire sauce, and it was delicious, man. It just to help out with a little bit of flavor, because as you guys know, pork butt, the only part that gets seasoned is the outside. So, um, very well happy, very well pleased with that. Then the next item up was turkey breast. You People sleep on turkey breast all the time, but if somebody knows what they're doing, there is absolutely nothing better. Um, this turkey was probably smoked for 3 to 4 hours. Then once it's done on the smoker, probably about 158, 155, I'll pull it off, put it in foil with a stick of butter and honey, and it just rests and heats up the rest of the way in that. It's absolutely delicious and amazing. You can't go wrong with turkey breast. All right, here's the Mac Daddy of all the brisket. It was it was a nice long cook, and I usually don't use foil, so every now and then though, when I'm running out of butcher paper, it is what it is. A small smoke ring. Again, I have a cabinet smoker. I don't have an offset, so that chemical reaction does not happen as more as pronounced as it usually does in a offset. Slicing up the lean there, slicing up the point here. Um, Very good, very tender, very juicy. Here's the second brisket I have for the day. I sliced everything up, packaged it in some foil containers, and everybody was very pleased. The only thing I don't like about foil, see, it just makes that bark a little bit too soft. Butcher paper, it's where it's at when it comes to bark. It just it's too soft. But as you can see, man, the juices are flowing out of there. That thing was resting for 6 to 8 hours. Um, it's just it's all on how you cook it and how you pull it off. Anyway, I'm working on this channel, trying to build up knowledge and my experiences with barbecue, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. Um, that's it, man. Stay tuned for more cooks and more mess ups, which I'll absolutely have, and more brisket. Peace.